Hi, hello, how are you? I'm in Charlotte. My first time ever in North Carolina. I am dressed and ready to go do a modeling workshop, number one. I'm doing new digitals for the modeling agency, and then I'm also taking new portfolio pictures, I think is what they call them. So I have, you can't see, hang on. Oh, first of all, here's the makeup. They said very light makeup and hair for the digitals. So I didn't do lower mascara. Was that a mistake? I'll ask when I get there. Popping in really quick to share some holiday gift ideas that I found on Walmart. This video, by the way, is sponsored by Walmart. If you are anything like me, as I get older, it seems that it's harder and harder to buy gifts as an adult. I guess if you want something or need something, you just buy it for yourself. So my trick, if you are interested, is I tend to buy people my favorites. So products that I've used, that I love, that I know they will like. But I also went for things that I felt like would serve me well this holiday season. Everything will be linked directly in the description box down below. If you're looking for holiday gifts, this is the place to be. Also, it's worth it to download the app because the sheer amount of holiday gift ideas is insane. And not just gift ideas, but holiday decor. They even categorize it like someone who loves books, someone who loves baking, someone who needs some extra decor. So many things on the app that I don't have time to mention them all. So get the app, it is worth it. First and foremost, we have to talk about what I'm wearing. Joy Spun PJs. I have talked about Joy Spun PJs for years, the softest material. They also do different styles of PJs. So I went with the long sleeve pant version. This is the most adorable print. It's little sleds and reindeer and wreaths and Christmas trees, but it's on a lavender background, which is different. And I really liked that. 2X is usually what I go for. If purple is not your thing, do not fear. There are so many holiday prints. I couldn't start a holiday inspired gift guide without showing you Joy Spun PJs. If you are my family, well, chances are you've probably already gotten Joy Spun PJs, but the holiday prints are so cute this year, so don't be surprised if it's under the tree for you. A few of my favorites first, and then we'll get into the extras that I picked out. Lash Paradise Mascara. I've talked about this so many times. I get the black brown. If you are looking for volume, this is the mascara to use. I used it today actually, 2 coats, and on the bottom lashes, beautiful. EcoTools makes my favorite sponge to apply foundation, but also their brushes are really, really good. They call this one the Bio Blender, infused with green tea, best with liquids and cream makeup. They have several different, I guess, categories of sponges. This green one, it's kind of small. You wet it, squeeze the water out, pat your foundation in. You've seen me use these as well. This is a favorite. So if I'm looking for a makeup or like beauty bag type thing to give someone, these two are typically going to be in the bag. Higher End Shampoo and Conditioner is always on my list as gift ideas. If you are my family, chime in. How many of y'all have received shampoo and conditioner? I love trying shampoo and conditioner. If you've been here any amount of time, then you know that. Joico is a brand that I consistently go back to. This is the Defy Damage line. I actually used it last night. This line has helped me so much because I do bleach my hair and I use a ton of heat, probably every single day on my hair. I do use heat protectant, but I'm still blow drying it and straightening it or curling it, washing it pretty often. So this, I feel like, has really helped my hair to stay and look healthy. If you're looking for more home type items, a heated blanket, always on my list. This Sunbeam brand, I will always go for. Plus they do really cute fall, winter, like holiday-ish patterns. I went with this plaid one. I'm so excited for this. The amount of heated blankets that I have in my house that are this brand is insane. But I like to have one for each room. So like you're in my filming room right now, but I also sit in here and do my makeup. So I have a heated blanket there. I have one in the living room. I like to have one in the bedroom. I also like to gift people goodie bags. That's a known thing in my house and with my friend group. So I picked things to show you today that are affordable because that's what I look for as well when I'm purchasing gifts. Walmart will not do you dirty. You will be able to make an affordable goodie bag. This one says micro plush, extra long cord. Ooh, that means this one could probably replace the living room one because that cord's a little bit shorter. Sticking with home things, these are both new to me, but are you kidding me? These are the cutest prints and patterns on these. I have to talk about this one first. Little Debbie brand Christmas gingerbread soft cookie candle. If you were looking for like a dirty Santa gift to take to a party, this would be perfect. It smells so good, and the print on the front. I thought it was so cute that it's an actual Little Debbie branded candle. That's the first time I'd ever seen this. The brand of the candle or the maker is Goose Creek, and then Little Debbie gingerbread cookies. This absolutely smells like gingerbread sugar cookie. I wish you could smell it. Here, sniff. I loved the look of this one as well. Country Holiday, I'll be home for Christmas scented candle. This is like your balsam, slightly sweeter scent. I love anything that smells like Christmas trees. We're not allowed to have real ones in my house because I have a cat and she doesn't allow that for us. So we like to do things like this around the house to make it feel like the holidays. Here's your sniff for that one. It's like a front door scene. How cute with the nutcrackers and the Christmas trees. I will say this, if you are watching this and this ends up in your holiday goodie bag, don't be surprised. But also don't be surprised if you come to my house for the holidays and these are both lit, because I might keep these. For the holiday baker, I went with this. It's called Winterberry. So it's holiday already, but look how cute. I will take it out of the box for you. It's a baking dish, a casserole dish, 1.5 quarts. This screams Christmas. We typically do either Thanksgiving or Christmas at my house for my family to come over. So when I saw this on the app, I thought this is perfect. It's on theme, it's holiday. We can always use more baking dishes. The green rim is so pretty. And then a little lid. Look at the berries. Okay, this is adorable. This would be great for stuffing, which we usually do for the holidays. Sometimes we do, okay, before I tell you what we do, tell me what y'all bake for the holidays. Is it the same, let's say Christmas? Do you bake the same like Christmassy type meals, or do you go rogue and like do different things? Like, do you do like lasagna one year, seafood one year, or is it the same thing every year? I can always use extra ideas on dishes, so let me know down below. We typically do the same things, though we have been known to change it up. Dishwasher, microwave, and oven safe. I love this. I knew that I would love this. Last but most certainly not least, I bought an ice maker. This makes, I think it's a 26 pounds of bullet ice, which is the good ice, in a 24-hour period. This was on such a discount when I found it that I couldn't pass it up. Like I mentioned, we do holidays here, and yes, we have an ice maker in our refrigerator, but it's never enough. It seems like it runs out pretty quick. So I thought this would be a nice addition to have on the countertop to have extra ice. So it comes with a scoop. It's actually pretty light. Also has a handle here. This brand is pretty easy to use as well. You see there's only 3 little options at the top. This ice maker is gonna save us so much for the holidays. Also, it's a little countertop one. I think this is so cute. Thank you for watching my holiday gift guide. I hope that you find something that you love for you, because you can gift yourself things as well. But also if you're looking for gifts, even if these things that I mentioned aren't your favorites, think about that as well when you're on the app. Things that you really love and that you swear by can be really great gifts. Like I mentioned, it is all linked down below. Let's get back into the video. Here's the outfit. You'll be able to see better in the rest of the video. I have more options in here just in case. This bag will go with me for the digitals. This is for the pictures after. I'm very sweaty. I've been filming TikToks. I need to be there. I think I do need lower mascara. Also, I maybe put too much color in my brows. I need to be there at 1:15. It's like 12:35. I think I'm like 20 minutes away. I'm in the Ballantine area, I think is how you say it. Ballantine. Beautiful. Okay, I mean, I know you can't see much, but driving here, seeing trees this color, I was like, oh my gosh, how pretty. We don't have that where I live. Also, I'm running out of time, so let's just go and I'll talk to you in the car. Oh my gosh. I forget the tripod. How else are you gonna see everything? Update, digitals are done. Do you want to be my YouTube?
Yes.
Hi, everybody say hi.
I'm Nia, guys. guys. Nice to meet
I'll
you
link
guys.
to, what's your Instagram?
Nia the model. NIAA the model.
I'll put it down below. How did it go
Yes,
today?
I had so much fun. It
Yeah.
feels so good to be a part
And
of
our
the
cute little
team.
shirts.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
It was very nice to meet you.
You as well. Be safe.
Yes,
Have a
you
good
too.
day.
Thank
Bye,
you. Okay, so I'm gonna probably change my shirt because I don't want to get this one dirty. We're gonna do hair, makeup, and then more pictures. I put this shirt back on because I don't want to get this one dirty with makeup and stuff all over it. So I will set you up. Also, I didn't talk to you in the car. Okay, I had the wrong address. We made it in time. We're all good. I had so much fun at the workshop. I learned so much. So we'll see if these pictures reflect my new facial expressions. I think I'm gonna try the bistro burger, please. Obviously, I'm back at the hotel. I brought my stuff up because I think dinner will take probably 10-15 minutes to cook. I'll go back down and pick it up. I had so much fun today. It was so nice to meet everybody. And there were also a couple of people who aren't signed with Klein Models who were there. They sent out the wrong address by accident first. That's why when I mentioned I came to the wrong place, everybody went to the wrong place or we were headed to the wrong place. So I was a few minutes late. That's why I didn't get a chance to talk to you. But it was so nice to meet everybody and see everybody and talk to them because I see them on the website. And then the workshop was just really cool. But we did facial expressions, which was a big thing for me that I was interested in, learning more about not only smiling, but not smiling facial expressions. We did runway walk, we did movement for pictures, and then I stayed after, and that's what y'all saw, and I did more pictures for my portfolio on the website. We also all got these Klein Model management t-shirts. We know I love a t-shirt. So I might sleep in this tonight because I brought long pant PJs and it's a little bit warm. I did stop and get gas on the way back to the hotel because I'm leaving first thing in the morning, but that was a lot of fun. So let me figure out my dinner situation, wash my, eat my dinner, put my PJs on, and then I'll see you most likely tonight. If not, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, y'all. It is almost 6:40 in the morning. Let's go home. I scheduled a coffee pickup downstairs for 7 a.m. So that was really why I waited a little bit longer to leave, because the closest coffee place to me was 3 miles in town without me having to stop and get off the interstate along the way. So let's go check out, load the car. I'm gonna see if there's an ice machine downstairs and fill up my Stanley with ice that's in the car because I have this water here, and then we'll pick up the coffee. This is where I stayed. It's very nice. It's a newer hotel, I could tell, and then the area of town from what I could tell was very nice, but there is an ice machine downstairs. I was gonna show y'all getting ice, but it says push for ice. I can't do wait, I can, hang on. The coffee place doesn't open until 7, so it's 7:02. So I'm gonna give them a few minutes because they have to make my drink. Brian put one of these little lemon packs in my purse before I left, so I'm making a little water. And last night when I got back, before I checked into the hotel, I got gas here, so I'm ready. It's 7:08 and no one's here yet, so I think I'm just gonna cancel the coffee and get about my way. I take it back. The woman who also checked me out of the hotel walked over and made my coffee for me since the other person, I guess, was running late. How nice was that? Happy Monday, y'all. I woke up this morning, it was 39 degrees outside. So of course I'm wearing a sweatsuit. Well, I put leggings on because now it's 55, I think, but I should have worn the sweatpants because it's still freezing outside. I need to get gas. I think I have 15 miles till eat, but I'm sitting at a gas station. So let me start the pump and then I will meet you back here while it pumps and we'll talk about the trip. It is so cold. I'm not meant for cold weather. I know it for sure. If you ask me my ideal temperature, I would say 99 degrees. Sunshine, hot. Like so hot you can't breathe. It is freezing. Okay, I did drive. I had a couple of people ask me how my flights went. If it's a drivable distance, I will drive 100% of the time. So per my GPS from my house to the hotel I stayed in, which I showed y'all, 8 hours and 13 minutes, I think. Doable. Absolutely. Sign me up. However, I ended up getting not really stuck, but there was like construction on the interstate. And then as I was getting into Charlotte, it was 5 o'clock traffic. So it ended up taking me over 9 hours. I want to say like 9.5, closer to 10 hours to get there. I'm also not a great like long distance driver. I get bored easy. I was listening to audiobooks and podcasts and the radio and stuff, but I stopped quite a few times just to like stretch my legs. So it took me a while to get there. The workshop, incredible. I am so happy that I took the trip to learn new things, really meet with Klein because that's who I'm signed with. But to have Kimberly there, who is the founder of Klein, to walk me through like, do your face like this, don't do your face like this, like some little tricks and techniques to smiling without smiling like I normally do, like holding my lips in a certain way and like trying to get that non-smiling look, which is what I wanted. And I feel like I did. I guess we'll see when the pictures come back. So I think there were 7, 8 of us total. You saw the like runway walking portion video, and it was so nice to like meet faces that I recognize from social media and from the Klein website. It was a lot of fun to meet with people who enjoy the things that I do, trying to get into modeling or already in modeling, and hear about some of their experiences. I feel like I did a good job. I think I'll get the pictures back in a few weeks. We're at $56 and for reference, gas is $2.69 a gallon unleaded. It's cheap where I live. That's what I hear, though I feel like it's expensive. Last thing on the agenda for this video is I need to wash my car. I did the squeegee thing at the gas stations when I would stop and get gas, but it's so bad. So let's go do a little car wash. Quick little vacuum. I feel like I mentioned everything with the modeling workshop. You will see the pictures in a few weeks. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I feel like I did a good job, so I hope they turn out good. Kimberly with Klein seemed very excited and very happy, so I'll show you once the pictures come back. Don't forget about the holiday gift ideas I got on Walmart's app. Such good ideas. I feel like baking things. If you want home decor things, the candles, I did already light them, you saw that. So I own them, which I'm not upset about, but it's all linked in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Goodbye.